Okay, we're back on a 77 CR bike here. Getting ready to do all the shafts after we got the cams all fitted. So I'm trying to figure out my part situation here, and I'm not too happy with what I find, so I had to go find some other stuff. So this is a brand new pinion bearing setup in here, which looks really good until you actually look at it. Then you notice that it has, the camera didn't focus very good, but you can see the big black spot in there. Yeah, whatever, it's hard to see the pitting, but I can't see it in the picture here.
Don't have much there, it's on the other side more.
Yeah, if I can't see it in the camera, I can't see it in my hand either. Anyway, you can see the corrosion spots in the damn thing, which means the rollers themselves will probably have corrosion in them. Don't.
Well, I'm just trying to. Oh, don't do it. Okay.
Try not to fucking do shit like this,
okay.
so quit fucking touching it.
Okay.
Damn it. You're not helping. Pissed off with this shit already. You wipe all the grease off, it just rusts even more to somewhere down the line.
I just thought that thing would come off.
It will come off. I didn't want to take it off. That's why I didn't take the damn shit off.
Sorry, I'll get you a rag.
Okay, so now junk parts are now back together with oil on them. Yeah, don't touch your shit. Now, problem one done. Next problem was we have new bearing here without race. No races are available. So I dig out another pinion shaft, another new Harley one. Same problem. Once you clean all the corrosion shit off, you got pitting all over the whole shaft. All over the whole bearing race, not the shaft. So I don't know if you can see it in the picture. I can't see shit. But so there's another brand new shaft that's not going to fly. The shaft is good, the race sucks. This is the shaft that we're using. It comes without races. I've got 2 more of these. So Harley parts are now not being used. So had to go dig up a gym shaft right there. So these shafts here are all one piece. They don't have separate races. They pack their stuff with oil so it doesn't rust and get pitting in it. So now we're going to use this shaft instead of genuine Harley shaft like we're trying to use. Okay, now this here is air tool oil here. Kind of stuff I could find easily. So you put that over the shaft here to try to keep it from getting damaged any worse than it already is. This is our genuine Harley one that we already cleaned. Okay, so these shafts now have some oil protection on them, so the sprays don't make them rust. My CRC over here makes things corrode. It needs acid etching, which is the same kind of shit we got going on these bearing races. Okay, so now we got these here. I'll bag all these things up here later. I got more time to screw this shit. Air tool oil away. Okay, now here's a brand new sprocket shaft. I still got to put the crank together. This has no bearing surface on it, so it doesn't really matter what the hell it looks like. So that means it's hard to screw it up. So here's our shaft here. Of course, this one has a little corrosion right there. Doesn't mean nothing because the bearing goes on it. So it's good. This is our new Timken bearing we're going to be putting into the case here. That box. These are our new rod races we're going to be putting in the rods, and our new bearings and cages, and new nuts and all that. This here's the junk pile. There's a lot of junk pile going over there. Okay, here's our new gear. Okay, this is our new gear. You'll see it come out of the box. It's already got rust on it. So we're going to have to lap this into our cam set that's buried back there right now. And here's our new oil pump drive gear here also. So these are brand new Harley parts. We'll be lapping this in once we get the crank put together. First we can get the crank in here because there's no way of doing the cam gear without having this in there. Alright, so that's where we're at right now. You can take over. Okay, first thing is look at shaft. out of the bag. It looks really nice. Okay, next problem is we got to make sure that it works on our cam cover.
Look, I'll get that.
Are you making a mess over here?
Yeah, if I can drop a card.
Yeah, quit worrying about cards. Okay, so now we're using a different shaft we had before. Now we got to check our fit. And we now have a problem on this because it's too tight. See, we have no clearance. So now we get to go and rework this over some more. So we get to redo that. So that means I can't put the bearing in over here. There's nothing down there we're building.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah.
So if you're going to film like that, you must just leave. Unless you want to look at the floor.
No, yeah.
You keep looking at the floor, I don't know why. I don't know where you quit looking at the floor, so I ain't going back.
Okay.
Alright, so I can't put the bearing in here until I fit the shaft because I have to have this loose to do the shaft. So we can't work on that. So we're running out of things to do real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a Timken bearing in and pretend we can do something around here today.
Okay.
So every time something changes your plan, you get to redo everything. Okay, so these are all the same, so you don't have to replace those. These we do need to put in. First we gotta knock these out over here.
Okay.
So, need some tools around here to do that. Okay, one homemade tool. That's what puts the bearings in. This what pulls them out on earlier bike. This is a late bike, it's different. This one you beat it out with a hammer. Okay, so you take the bearing race and just hit it. Go back and forth. Falls out pretty easily. Same thing on this one. Knock it out in one hit. Lots of little hits are better than one big one. Okay, so now we got this out. So we're leaving the snap ring in. Now on a big twin, the snap ring needs to be up here or it shuts off the oil gallery. It's still best to have this one up there too so oil can get to both sides of your races. Instead of being like this down here where you can't get any oil in there. Let's take this and knock it around. Okay.
Tatro, I must have touched something here. I got it blurry. Focus is on.
Well, you got it blown up so damn far you can't see anything.
Okay, I touched that. Okay, good.
Are you changing the focus? Or
No, I didn't mean to. I just touched something.
Yeah, but this zooms in and zooms out so you can see.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, now, can you see the hole now?
Yeah.
You have to
Well,
zoom in
yeah, I can
slightly.
see it. Yeah.
Okay, so we rotate this around until now that oil hole's open. So now when you put these two races together, there's a gap in here and the oil can go right in here and right across the bearings and lubricate our bearings. So it's nice when you do that. Oil's always a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay, now we go ahead and install these. Now you can beat these in with a big hammer, but
Yeah.
prefer to do it the more accurate way. Get off the dowel pins though. To get to the snapper and stop. Very important. Studs in the way. I always do this side last because it pushes everything that other direction. Probably doesn't make any difference, but that's how I do it.
There you go. Looks good.
Okay, so now we got a new Timken bearings all in there now.
Yep.
So this case is pretty well ready to. You can clean this thing all up because we got nothing else to do to it unless we find other issues. So far we haven't found any more issues with this side. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll get the reamer set up to do the pinion bush again.
Okay, shut it off.
Yeah, just hit the button right there.